Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra 5G. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to adjust media and the call volume in the settings. So we open up the settings app. Here we scroll down to sound and vibration, and we want to make sure that media and the call volume sliders are turned all the way to the right so that they are maxed out. And after we max them out, what are we going to do is we're going to disable do not disturb. This is very important because if your do not disturb is enabled, then it can lower your volume. There was a glitch back in the day whenever you just turn the do not disturb mode on, it would lower your volume significantly. So it wouldn't just mute your notifications and silence them, it will also lower the volume. That's why we want to check it out and go to modes, select do not disturb, and make sure that it says turn on now here. So that means it is disabled. And once we press it, as you guys can see, it says turn off, so that means it's enabled. And also we see the icon in the status bar. That's why we want to make sure that it's turned off. And after we turn it off, we want to make sure that we clean the speaker and the headphone port. So you may be wondering which headphone port I'm talking about, because we can see in the phone that there's no ports like this. I'm talking about the charging port, which is the headphone port if you're using wired ones, so the USB-C, or if you use an adapter for 3.5mm jack, make sure that you clean the charging port. Then you make sure that you clean the speaker grill that's right here. And after we clean it, what are we going to do is we're going to restart our phone to refresh the system. So press the power button, volume up button, and tap on restart. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, as a last resort, what are we going to do is we're going to update our software to fix any audio glitches. So open up the settings, and in the settings we need to swipe down to system updates. They are right here. Make sure to not scroll all the way to the bottom, because most of the phones got it at the bottom, but this phone actually does have it here. So we're going to press on system updates and click check for updates. But before that, make sure that you have Wi-Fi enabled and you're connected to it, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to check for the latest software update. As you guys can see, everything looks good for me and I'm on the latest version, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating so that you don't have any old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.